Oke, berjumpa lagi dengan Miss Donita di sini. Kali ini kita akan bahas tentang text recount, ya. Text recount yang kita akan bahas adalah text recount cerita yang berjudul My First Trip to Pari Island. Ya, sesudah kalian dengar cerita yang nanti akan Miss bacakan, nanti kita akan masuk ke soal pertanyaan. Soal pertanyaan tentang recount text itu kurang lebih tentang generic structure dari recount text yang terdiri dari orientation, event, dan reorientation. Jadi di orientation kalian akan menceritakan latar belakang informasi tentang siapa, di mana, kapan, kejadian dan peristiwanya terjadi. Oke, yang event itu menceritakan serangkaian peristiwa yang ada di dalam cerita atau urutan kronologisnya. Dan yang terakhir, reorientation merupakan penutup atau kesimpulan yang kalian dapat dari cerita yang kalian baca. Oke? Yuk kita lihat dulu bacaannya. My first trip to Pari Island. Last September, I went to Pari Island for a holiday. I went there with Sarah, Andy, Evelyn, and Yoko. That was my first time to travel there. Our boat departed from Muara Angke port to the island at 8 a.m. We arrived at Pari Island around 10 a.m. After that, we went to our guest house that we had booked before. Fortunately, our guest house was located near to the port, so we did not have to walk so far. The first thing that we did after that was rent a bicycle. It only cost 20,000 per day. Then we did cycling for a while and had lunch before we decided to do snorkeling. When we went snorkeling, the fisherman who became our guide brought us to the beach far enough from our guest house. We did snorkeling there. The water was very clear. We could see groups of tiny fishes and beautiful coral under the sea. After we did snorkel for approximately 3 hours, we returned to our guest house. We ended up the first day by getting dinner and took some walk around. On the second day, we woke up so early to watch sunrise. We did not need to go far to watch sunrise because our guest house was so near to the beach and we could watch the sunrise there. Sunrise on the beach, what a beautiful view. After we spent long enough time to watch the sunrise, we decided to get breakfast. There was a festival at that time. We went to the festival and had breakfast there. We ate some delicious seafood. We felt time went so fast that day. We needed to return to our guest house because our boat that would bring us home would depart at 10 a.m. In summary, my first trip to Pari Island was so enjoyable. I would like to visit this place again together with my family in another chance. Oke, kita masuk ke bagian pertanyaan tentang recount text adalah jika kalian ditanya tentang orientation, kalian bisa menjelaskan mengenai latar belakang cerita, terus karakter yang ada di dalam cerita siapa saja, terus di mana cerita terjadi, kapan, dan peristiwanya ya. Misalnya ceritanya terjadi di Pari Island When was that? It was September. It was in September. Terus who were in the story, siapa saja yang ada di dalam cerita, oke? Nah, yang kedua, kalian ketika ditanya tentang event atau kejadian, kalian bisa menceritakan tentang serangkaian peristiwa atau urutan kronologis sesuai yang kalian lihat di teks, ya. Terus yang ketiga, ketika kalian ditanya tentang reorientation atau kesimpulan, kalian bisa membuat kesimpulan yang kalian bisa simpulkan sendiri tentang cerita yang ada di dalam teks. Misalnya kesimpulannya adalah, let me see, kesimpulannya misalnya tentang my first trip to Pari Island, ya. Itu sudah cukup. Kalian nanti akan berlatih lagi dengan soal-soal recount teks yang lain. Thank you.